Today we are making an apple pear invisible cake. First, in a large bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and a pinch of salt. Whisk it all. In a separate bowl, place the eggs and sugar. Whisk until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add the melted butter, vanilla extract, and milk. Mix well. Now combine the dry mix with the wet mix and whisk until you get a smooth batter. Peel the apples. For this cake, we are adding pears as well, so peel them too. Cut the apples and pears in half. Remove the core. Slice them into very thin slices using a mandolin. Add the apple and pear slices to the batter. And gently mix them until all slices are well coated. Butter the mold, then sprinkle with flour. Remove excess flour. Pour the apple pear mix into the mold and pack well by pushing the top with a spatula. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees, 360 Fahrenheit degrees for 40 minutes or until the cake is done and the cake surface has a beautiful deep golden brown color. You can serve this cake warm or cold. Look at these layers of apples and pears. Dust with powdered sugar before serving. This cake is so soft, fruity, and yummy. Bon appétit!